Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Look, I got my new camera with me. I'm gonna test it out today. We're gonna go out. It's on Wednesday night though, but we're gonna go out. I'm gonna meet up with a friend and we're gonna get some street food or attempt to get some street food. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, it's a Wednesday night, so I don't know how much stuff's gonna be out there. I'm not a nighttime person, so we'll see. All right, y'all, here we are. We are here at the Fisherman's Wharf, grabbing some coffee right now. When I say we, I'll show you. I got my friend with me, Art.
Hey, what's up?
We got some coffee. And we're gonna go out here and grab some street food here in a bit and check out the scene. It's Wednesday night, so it's not that busy, but it's still quite a few people out here. So let's go check it out and see what we can find.
好，我要试一串，这串20块哈。好的。I'll buy one for you, one for me, okay? Alright. $20. Okay.
We just got some squid snacks. You can see that.
Damn. I feel like an
Pretty good. All right, it's like 8:30. We just finished our squid snacks. So, what we gonna do next? What we gonna do, Art?
We're gonna go and try some Korean food. It's really good. It's really good.
All right, so you heard it right there, Korean food. We're gonna go get some Korean barbecue and see what's going on over there. I'll see you over there. Oh, this place is good.
We are going to eat some
Korean barbecue.
barbecue, yeah.
I think it's this way. Yeah, this way.
Yeah.
There it is. I see it. The Japanese ramen right there is good. Behind us over there. There it is. We're gonna go over here to this. Yeah, this one right here. Let's go try it. Here we are with the Korean. Okay.
LC 美国，俄罗斯的，我是俄罗斯的，是美国的。
他是美国的，你是俄罗斯的。
对。
哦。
你是这里本地人吗？
Hello。美国那边很好的哦。
啊，不好。
美国不好，
我不喜欢，
我不喜欢。
我不喜欢，我好久没回去，
啊，你这中文说的很好哦。
我不喜欢美国。我来找台龙。谢谢。
再帮你们封一下吧，
啊，可以，
封一下它。
啊，谢谢。
This is a seaweed soup. John, do you like seaweed soup?
Yeah, it's good. I like it. I like this cheese soup.
Yeah, I like this too. It's like cheese and corn. And now,
Let's go here. So we ordered.
you know how did they call these mushrooms, man? These mushrooms.
I don't know.
See you tomorrow.
Oh.
Because the next day you,
Why they call it see tomorrow?
because the next day you go to the toilet, you will see them coming out.
All right, I'm about to enjoy this barbecue. I'll see y'all in a bit. Cocktail. Get a cocktail on the street.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I had one not long ago.
All right, y'all. I'm in the elevator going back home. Sorry, I used a new camera this time, and I had no idea what I was doing, but I'll get better, I promise. But hope y'all enjoyed the little walking tour, and check out this video right here. YouTube says that's the one you should watch next, so check that out, and I'll see y'all on the next one.